So the bed will likely be down for your stay, but if you ever wanted the bed to go up, then you can just take the 2 chairs out. One here. And this one here. And then before you take down the bed, you're gonna wanna fold this down. Typically, if you're writing on this area, you're gonna put everything kind of on this side of the line so that it doesn't fall. This is the line here. And then you're gonna go underneath and you'll see this here. You'll push in, same with this one. Push in and that'll fold right down. And then I'm actually not tall enough, but let's see here. You're gonna wanna unlock this. You'll know it's unlocked because it'll push out. In like this is locked, and out is unlocked. And anything that you have on the desk can stay on the desk unless it goes above this point, which at that point you would need to take off. And then you'll just pull it down and the desk will adjust. And then you've got this piece right here, which ends up being your legs. So you want to pull that down. And you got a bed. To put it back up, it's on springs, but it is a queen size bed, so it's pretty heavy. You're gonna do the same thing. You're gonna take this, put it over, push it, and then make sure you lock it because you don't want that falling on you.